All right, you guys, if you are looking for a wonderful finance curriculum to work into your homeschool to introduce your children to the different concepts of handling money, giving and saving and spending and planning for the future and all of the different things, then this is the perfect video for you, because I am going to be giving you a review and flip through of Before Personal Finance. I'm going to go ahead and flip around the camera, give you guys a look inside so you can see if this is something that you think will work for your child. All right, so this is Before Personal Finance, and as you open it up, you're going to get a table of contents. It shows you everything that your child is going to be covering. There is also a QR code that you can scan here to go and watch a video that just gives you more information on the curriculum. There's also a letter to the parents, as well as a lesson overview. Right here, it tells you how many lessons you have, what the scene is. You'll get different scenarios basically at the start of every week where your child can plan for their future self and the decisions that they'll make. And then it also tells you about how long it will take to teach, how long it will take to do the activity, to make a budget, and then to do their quiz. Right here is a teacher's corner area. This is something that you will have at the start of every lesson, and it gives you information on the topic as well as a QR code that you can go and scan for additional lesson resources and the answer key. Right here is a course grade book so you can keep track of your child's grades and progress. And then it starts into lesson 1. This is the teacher's corner that I was mentioning. You see the QR code. It's going to be at the start of every week like I mentioned. So at the time of filming, this book is $40, and I'll have that link down below in case you want to check it out. This is geared towards children who are 8 to 12 years old. And at the beginning of the book, the authors do state that this is merely an introduction to the world of personal finances and is not a deep dive into every single topic that your child will cover throughout the school year. Now, this curriculum does cover 10 topics, which include introduction to money, earning money, budgeting, smart spending, generosity, borrowing money, governments and money, banks, investing, and insurance. So as you can see, they will learn a wide range of finances, which will help them for their adult life. Now, you'll begin each week by reading a 2-page lesson to help your child understand the topic, and then there will be an activity that reinforces the topic taught. So in each lesson, your child will be given a scenario on a financial event that occurs in their future life as what they call future you. And they will be asked to make certain choices surrounding that scenario, as well as a budget for it to help map out their life. They will have a shop where they can spend money, and then there's also a wheel that they can spin to see what unexpected financial events can occur. You can find that wheel in one of the QR codes. It's part of their website. And then they can also have options for giving to their community throughout all of these lessons. The money that they have left over after this will be what they have to save, and will also be what they carry into the next lesson. So after all of this throughout the week, your lesson will end with a multiple choice quiz. That is about 10 questions long, as well as a reflection sheet. So some of the future use scenarios that they will encounter are deciding if you'll find ways to make money when you're 14 years old, if you'll buy a car when you turn 16, if you'll take a trip to celebrate graduation from high school, if you'll get a pet at 20, and other scenarios like that. If you'd like to continue lessons after you finish this curriculum, they do have another one called Beyond Personal Finance that's geared for some of the older ages, and then you can even find more of the information right here at this QR code. So that is everything. I'm going to go ahead and flip around the camera now. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the review and flip through. I hope that you enjoyed seeing inside, getting a feel for it, seeing if this is something that you would like to work into your homeschool. I will have this link down below in case you want to check it out and purchase it. If you have used this, let me know down below. I would love to hear what your thoughts were. If you have used a different curriculum that covers finances, then let me know that down below as well, and whether you liked it or didn't like it. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.